So the question is, what do HMRC know? What information is at their hands? And powers have changed considerably over the past half decade or so. In 2011, the Finance Act, Schedule 23 of that Finance Act, introduced 16 broad categories that HMRC can automatically request information to be provided. That information can be provided in electronic formats and can be requested year on year. Sort of broad categories include employers, banks, insurance companies, financial institutions, brokers, auctioneers, estate agents and charities. And to someone who's not necessarily in the know, that might seem, why would HMRC want information from these? Well, it's to check the tax return of other taxpayers. So if you take the third category I mentioned, insurance companies, if you think about every product that's subject to a guarantee, that is underwritten somewhere. So if HMRC can obtain that information, they can see how many sales relate to a particular product by a particular supplier. Most people who buy a product who pay cash will still want that guarantee, that warranty. So that gives HMRC an ability to match information with taxpayers, allowing them to identify the number of sales. If you consider that the estate agents is a broad category, this has already been used in the Let Property campaign, where information was requested from estate agents relating to landlords and what they receive from rental income. That resulted in the Let Property campaign, which is still going on today and is still open. So the information that HMRC can collect is phenomenal, and it's increasing year on year, not only through Schedule 23 of the Finance Act, as I mentioned, but also their government departments are talking to each other. So you have, for example, council and business tax, that information is fed in. Electoral roll, that information is fed in to Connect. You have employer records, import and export records, border agency, company house, land registry, planning consents, etc. And in addition, HMRC also have information that they can collect through what they call web trolls. So apparently Connect will go out and look through social media sites to identify information. Now this might seem that wouldn't give rise to a particular risk, etc., but it'd be amazing about what people put on social media sites. For example, visits to the British Virgin Islands, for example, might come up, and that could indicate that somebody is travelling on a regular basis to a tax haven. Or it might be less spurious, for example, just a simple, my business is going really well on LinkedIn. This year was the highest turnover that I've made ever. Yet the records returned to HMRC are actually demonstrating that turnover isn't high. So all that information is now collected within Connect and available to Risk and Intelligence Service.